In this video, you learn everything that you need to know about how to make penny loafers, what is displaying on your screen right now. Okay, this video is divided into parts by part. We have the pattern drafting, we have the tracing, we have the cutting, we have the assembling, the stitching, and lashing. So feel free to learn for yourself. This is one of the realest video you see on the internet today. I'm going to teach you everything that pertains how to make penny loafers. All right, so from pattern drafting, first you have to wrap your last with your masking tape. Then you divide the last into two equal half, that is 50-50. That's what I did with my meter rule. Draw a straight line at the center of your shoe last. Then you take the shoe opening. From there you take your top line. All right, everything we are doing here is freehand sketching. Now you can use your hand to sketch. All right, just watch me carefully. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, also copy the link of my channel to share on your social media platforms. Now if you wish to support my videos, I'll be placing my account details on the screen for you. Whatever currency, naira or dollar, the accounts are there, so you can support. We have a lot of machines to buy. Please, if God bless you enough and you want to support us, please use our account on your screen to support what we are doing. All right, so we have our center line or middle line drawn. Also we have our shoe opening, then we have the top line. Then we have to form the shoe apron. Now take 2 centimeters away from the start of your shoe last, that is the cap. Then you use that 2 centimeters to draw a curve, all right, around, just what I did. Now this is just the belt, the loafers belt I'm trying to like sketch on the shoe last. All right, but it's not necessary here. I'm just doing it so that you see how it looks like, or you have to have a sense of what the shoe will be looking like. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay to the end, you will learn a lot. I promise you, this video will teach you a lot, a lot, a lot. I'm sure you know how to draft pattern from here. Right, give us a like, subscribe, encourage us, support us, copy the link and share. If you want to reach out on WhatsApp also, you can do that using our WhatsApp number. If you're in Nigeria, 09035539885. If you are outside Nigeria, +2349035539885. Okay, so we are transferring the pattern to our paper now. So first you have to fold your paper into two, then you lay your pattern. Make sure your middle line tallies with the straight line of the paper folding. Then from there you add 2 centimeters, bring out your curve, that is your heel. Now, around your heel region you bring out your curve from there. Then add 2 centimeters to the pattern. That will be your lashing allowance. From there you cut, have a straight cut. That's what I'm doing. Now we have the cut, but we are to bring out the shoe apron. Okay, so what you do, you still have your paper fold, then take the measurement of your shoe apron that you had on the shoe lace. From there you use your hand to bring out the shape. All right, bring out the shape. Carefully cut. We have our shoe apron. You can lay it now, then you cut out, draw it and cut. Exactly, that's what I did. You can take it off so that you have your vamp, and the shoe apron, right? You can untag them. From here you have our heel cap. Let's bring out our heel cap now. Watch how we are going to bring out our heel cap. Okay, not the heel cap. Okay, here, the from the shoe you saw me, that brown and white, you notice that the vamp is laying on the shoe apron, so we have to add or create the allowance for the shoe apron. That's the stitching allowance now for the shoe apron. So that is what we add. Just trace your shoe apron, then add your stitching allowance to it. That's what I just did. Okay, so watch that. This is what I mean exactly. So I'm sure other channels don't teach you these things. Well, hey, I don't hide knowledge. Everybody is meant to learn, so I'm teaching you for free. Give me a like, support. This I'm explaining is in case maybe your apron is supposed to climb your vamp, then the addition or the stitching allowance will be on the vamp. All right, so that's just what I explained. Here we are taking out the belt now. Let's have the belt pattern as a loafers belt pattern, right? So take it out, take the design. Now this design, it's what you choose to do on it. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to form something using my hands as a design on the belts. All right, so you can form something for yourself. So it all depends on your, what you like, your choice. This is what I want to do on this one. So I cut. See what we'll get from here. You see the design I mean. So we have it. This is what your, now this is what we call the pattern. From there we are tracing. Now if you watch the video, you see the starting of the video, you see that the shoe is brown color and white, combination of white and brown color. The apron has white, while the vamp is brown. So I'm trying to trace now. We're tracing now. We have the tracing carefully. So if you have questions you want to ask us, tell me what are your questions about the pattern, because we are done with pattern. If there's anything you do not understand why I was doing the pattern, you can tell me. Reach out to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on your screen: 09035539885. So let's continue. We're trying to pad the apron, right? We just want to pad it to be bit stiff or thick, right? So we just pad. What I mean is I just doubled the apron so that it will be stiff, right? That's just what I did. Now we'll cut. We're cutting. Ask your questions, right? Ask your questions. Now if you have to make something like this, what color would you prefer? Tell me your combination. Let's get to have people's different color combination. What color combination do you think it would be nice? Tell me in the comment section. Black and white, red and white, blue and white, brown and white. Let's see which one would you prefer. Let's have a color text in the comment section. Tell me what color would you prefer to do. All right, just look around your environment and see color combinations that will work on stuff like this. We get to have ideas. Then I get to, as many color combination I have in the comment section, I'm going to make a show and see how it's going to look like. Then at the end, we'll get to see which color is best, But for me, I have these brown and white. I've done white and black before. So tell me your own color combination if you want to have a video of such. Okay. So we just join the vamp and the apron. Now we'll stitch round at stitching. If you don't know how to use the sewing machine, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to make a video of how to use the sewing machine. Just tell me I don't know how to use. Just comment I don't know how to use the sewing machine in the comment section. I'll make a video of it. Now we're tracing our padding. After you stitch, then this is our padding material we're trying to trace. Right, you trace it and cut. Now you add sewing allowance to the cap area. Now the back side here, you're going to add like 1 centimeter addition so that you can sew it, then open it, rub your gum and open it up. This is the belt. Trying to cut out now. Carefully, you cut carefully. All right, that's what you're doing. I hope you love this video. I know you've learned a lot from this video, and please give us a like, support us, anything, support us, whether comment, whether share, whether money, anything you want to do for us, support us, and God bless you. You know, the most important stuff to know or to learn here is the colors and the pattern drafting, how to trace and stitch. Then the video for lasting of this particular shoe is on my live stream, so check it out, my playlist. Thank you.